G'day and welcome back to another edition of Josh's Bloody Kitchen. And today what we're making is honey, sesame and garlic chicken. What you're going to need is some diced pressed fillet, some spring onion, an onion, 3 cloves of garlic, some long grain rice, 1 kilo, and some of these mixed veggies. So we're going to kickstart things off with our onion. Going to dice that, and then we're going to chop up these 3 cloves of garlic as well. Try not to bloody cry, of course. Now that we've sliced up all our goods, that's what you should be left with. Now we're just going to add this to this. Now you want to cook it high, of course. And while we wait, we grab the long grain rice. This is important. So I use 7 cups of rice. And with that, you're going to need 7 cups of water. Now once you start getting aromas and whatnot, you're going to add the chicken. Don't forget to take these things off as well. Oh, there we go. Because you're a master chef like me, you use 2 of them. Now while we're waiting for things to cook, you know what time it is. You grab yourself a cat and give him a pat. Good on your pud. Now you want to cook them all the way through for about 7.5 minutes in high. And while you wait, you may as well get your spring onion. Now after you've chopped up, you find yourself a bowl, pan. Now once you're about halfway through the cook, you want to start thinking about adding in your mixed veggies. Mixed bag, baby, that's what I like. So now we're just going to get some of the chop and we're going to put it with the mixed bag. Oh yeah. This is Josh's kitchen. That's how it's done. That's how it's done, big fella. Now it's time to get saucy. Ooh. Kan Tong, honey, sesame and garlic. Hadu. Now we'll just pour all that in. Our mix. Because we made a lot of it, I went and doubled up. So there's going to be plenty of sauce. And with your mix, you just want to give it a bit of a stir. Not do what I just did. So we'll let that cook for about another 6.5 minutes. Enough to dry some of my nuts. In the meantime, your rice should be ready. So let's go and give it a look. Oh mate, how nice and fluffy does that look? Absolutely well done. Now these meals I normally like a bowl. This is looking absolutely lovely and ready. And that's what we're left off with. How yummy does that look? So what I've left now is to do is the old taste test. See how we go. No, there you go. That was another edition of Josh's Bloody Kitchen. You and I will talk to each other again soon.